May we invite Lauren Limbo to lead us for the prayer to be followed by the singing and
Good morning once again to everyone and welcome to our seminar, Building Aspiring Leaders, Enhancing the Quality of Moral Churches. Our event for today will surely give us a lot of learning into molding us to become leaders.
it is my delight to become your MC today for this very inspiring seminar. I am Liza Joyce Iber Sosa,
And I am John Vicente Cibriones, and we are your Master of Ceremony for today. To formally open our seminar and give us the opening remarks, may we call our Honorable Dean of College of Nursing, Dean Zenaida Lazaro Adonis.
Good morning. Our clinical coordinator, Mr. Justin Dolores, and our campus head, Mr. Arvin Santiago, our dean, Mr. DJ Jose, and of course, our speaker, Dr. Pearl Cuevas. Let's give them a minute. A person who saves a life is a hero, but a person who saves 100 lives is a nurse. Do you agree? Yes, diba? The purpose of this seminar is to uplift the spirit of our soon-to-be nurses and how to be a better, if not the best nurses and leaders of the next generation. Not only in the Philippines, but in the whole world. Remember, nurses are all over the world, no? So, I'm sure these nurses will go far, far.
we are very honored and privileged to have with us today. Without any further delay, we would like to invite Dr. Pearl L.G. Cuevas, our guest speaker for today.
They are frontliners and seminary heroes. Also, our nurses are modern day heroes. Remember, during the pandemic, we are hailed as angels in disguise. In the Philippines, we are known to be nurses na may malasakit. That's why we are the choice for the the best for the Filipino and the choice of the world. The Filipino nurses have been in demand over the world for the longest time because of our living culture and our malasakit sa kapwa. A long time ago, I was also like you, seated there in an auditorium, and I was wondering how to start my career, no, and how to start my life as a nurse. Niisip ko din, saan kaya ako patungo, no? Pagka-graduate ko, pag nurse na ako, ano pa yung mangyayari sa akin? Mag-bedside ba ako? Mag-abroad ba ako? Siguro, wala sa hilagam ko na magiging nursing leader ako, na now I'm president of the Global Society for Philippine Nurse Researchers Incorporated. Parang, hindi ko naisip yun, no? I just take it one day at a time. We look after each other. And yun ang din naman dapat sa nursing profession. Nurses look after each other. Kasi di ba sabi natin, we cannot give what we do not have. Kung hindi natin mahal yung isa't isa, paano natin tuturuan yung mga pasyente na mahalin nila yung sarili nila?
My question is, your topic is about leadership, right? My question here is, do you believe yung mga sinasabi nila na there is a certain person na inborn with leadership skills? And the other one is leadership skills can be developed through learning or talagang sadyang may mga inborn to be a leader?
Leaders are born, not made. Pero according to the book of John Maxwell, leaders are called. So, ibig sabihin nun, lahat tayo may potential leadership skills. And kailangan i-build natin yun. So, napaka-importante ng mentor role. Yung mga mentors natin, sino talaga yung
mga kabataan ko talagang itinirain ko kayo tsaka since sinabi ko kanina ayaw ko kayo i-idolize since nagaling nga ako then i-idolize na natin yung isang leaders natin na talagang nagbigay sa kanya ng kakayanan para dumating sa certain yung klase ng positions.
My question is I just want to get your opinion. What is more important, to be respected or to be liked?
right? Kasi people pleaser want to be liked. And hindi ako naniniwala na you want people to like you. You just have to be who you are. And you have to like yourself. Hindi ako naniniwala na gagawin ko yung mga bagay para gusto din ako. Gagawin ko yung bagay kasi tama siya. Dapat siyang gawin kasi mahal siya. Yung respected, respect begets respect. For me, if you know how to respect people, people will respect you. Right? So, ang important though is conduct yourself in a respectful manner so it goes back to you.
Nursing legacy would you like to leave behind in this youth world?
As a leader, marami akong naranasan na fragmentality sa mga Filipino nursing leaders na. Of course, that technical. Hindi rin naman yun ang naging reason mo to push forward. It's just sad kasi ako kaya ko lampasan yan. Paano yung iba? Hindi nila kaya lampasan. Hanggang doon na lang sila kasi produkto sila ng fragmentality. So, kung may legacy mo na gano'n, siguro, yun ang gusto mong legacy. Sana maging role model rin. Walang fragmentality. That there's room for everyone. Hindi na tayo kaya natin umangat. Hindi natin kailangan kong level ng kapwa natin para umangat.
We couldn't have done this successful seminar without you, Dr. Pearl and Travis, and also my fellow four-year nursing student, beloved professors, our dearly Dean of Nursing, and our participants who spared their time to attend the seminar. Let's all